everywhere. I see pretty girls all across the world. I see pretty girls everywhere I go.
Hi, my name is Bree Hall. Last November, I went to England. I told you guys that it was a casual trip to visit Dyson headquarters to learn about hair care. But now, the cat's out of the bag. I have a confession to make. I'm a spy. Just kidding, I'm not a spy. But pretty close to that. I got top secret clearance to preview and test one of Dyson's newest top secret products at the headquarters. Dyson's first ever hair straightener. As a girl with a tight curl pattern, I rarely straighten my hair. It's usually an all-day affair, but I was able to do it this time in 2 hours. Being that it's been such a long time since I straightened my hair, I had to bring out an expert. So at 10 a.m. in the morning in the pouring rain of the English countryside, I brought in my good friend and international hairstylist, Jawara. A special guest with me, who has styled names such as FKA Twigs, Megan Thee Stallion, Cardi B, and the one and only Solange. I knew my curls were in good hands and we were using some of the best hair technology in the game. And he's gonna help me get my life together this morning because I have to blow dry my hair and y'all know I have a lot of hair. To use a little less heat and speed up the drying time, I love to deep condition and wash my hair the night before and then put it in a few plaits just so that it could dry a little bit before blow drying. I have in the Felicia braids right now. First big important step, but I know I don't have to tell y'all this because you do this, right? We have to apply a heat protectant. It is one of the most important steps before any heat styling I do on my hair to keep my curls intact. The first thing Jawara is using is the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer with the comb attachment. I have this at home. Do not sleep on the comb attachment just because it's wide tooth, y'all. You can literally see with a few passes, this thing really is dynamic and it gets your hair so straight. I'm a fan and this dryer is lightweight. But go see my original Dyson Supersonic video of how I diffuse my hair so that you can get a full testimonial about the product. You're getting me right now. But in real life, that took, what would you say, like 3 minutes?
3 minutes.
Wow.
3 minutes. Cut
That's
the time down.
Crazy. And usually I would do 4 sections, but this time I just did 8 for like, because I have thick hair, so I figured 8 would be good. So 8 times 3, that's really good. Usually blow drying would take me like an hour, but if you do that math, that's like 24 minutes. Although this is a hair tutorial, this platform serves as a catalyst to talk about important issues in hair care. One thing that Jawara and I really started to talk about is the importance of stylists who really understand tight curl patterns and natural hair, and inclusion for type 4 hair. And I thought that was important to include in the video.
Wow, your hair
yes.
nice and long.
Yes, like stylists will literally look at my hair like it's a specimen and be like, interesting. And I'm like, oh God, that's what I already know.
Beautiful hair you have.
Thank you very much. Y'all seeing the transformation.
Love it.
It's like, it's
some
crazy.
people's full head is this.
Yo, didn't I, okay y'all see, didn't I say that? So for the Supersonic, what's your favorite thing about it in comparison to like other blow dryers you may have used in the past?
I love the fact that the Supersonic is not as loud, and I love
Yes.
I love the fact that it gets the hair dry really fast.
Yes.
I love it.
Y'all know this
One
is my
side
look.
down.
We're doing, this is the look right here. Y'all got pretty straight just off the blow dry too. The Dyson Corrale straightener uses patented Dyson flexing plates that shape to gather hair, delivering enhanced styling with half the damage, while also being cord-free. The Corrale is suitable for all hair types. Though many straighteners have heat control, the temperature spikes and fluctuates as elements within the straightener respond to the power source, whereas the Corrale's integrated intelligent heat control technology regulates the plate's temperature 100 times per second. My favorite feature is that the Dyson Corrale is lightweight and can be used cord-free or with its 360-degree magnetic charging cable, making styling outstanding, consistent, and faster. And I wanted to point out, y'all, because of the flex plates on this flat iron, this is one of the reasons why he's able to take the size sections he is, because with normal flat iron, usually I'm taking like microscopic sections, but as you can see, this gets the hair super duper straight. How my hair looks fully straightened, because y'all haven't, I don't think y'all have seen my hair straightened in like a year. Maybe it's been about a year. I noticed that like I have that secondary reflex to kind of like, you know, stiffen and jump from childhood trauma of getting burned by hot combs, flat irons, everything. But with this one, I actually did it myself yesterday, and I put it as close as I could to my roots, and I didn't like burn at all. Like my scalp didn't get hot and feel like, you know, I was gonna get scarred or anything like that at all, which I've actually never experienced that in my entire life. And y'all remember, if you follow me for a long time, I used to have relaxers and get my hair straightened every 2 weeks for 5 years. So to say that, and with every brand of like professional flat iron you can imagine, and this is the first flat iron I have not jumped because it, you know, burned my scalp. So very excited. Yeah, definitely. And I also like that you don't have to go over the hair a million times.
I love that.
Because it really captures the hair and has even heat on every section. And with the flex plates, it makes sure that your hair doesn't completely spread out and fall out, because that was one of my biggest pet peeves when I flat iron my hair. Like even if I did a small section, like 5 hairs would just slip out of the plate. Y'all, come on now. Come on now. It's crazy. I've actually never had my hair straightened this fast in my life. But also, can we take a moment to appreciate the health, everybody? Because I was looking at some of my old like social media videos from when my hair was like peach colored, and now look at how thick and full and even my hair is. You don't see through, you know, sections and everything. Very healthy. So even though this is in November, I know y'all gotta see this length check, okay? I haven't straightened my hair in a year or more, so this was my first genuine length check. You can see the excitement on my face. Me and Joara were celebrating this entire time because, sis, like, we really did that, okay? We really did that. We made it! I am so happy with how my hair turned out, and for more information on the new Dyson flat iron, please check the description box. Thank you to Dyson for sponsoring this video, and I'm so happy because my hair held up all the way back into the States. Thank you so much to my heavenly angel here who saved the day.
So happy to be a part.
All right, bye y'all. So you know what you gotta say, right? For the end of the videos is peace out and gang gangs. You got it. Ready?
Peace out
and gang gang.